this mix that we're using serves a specific function, and it's just to clean up the cracks and make the wall a bit straighter on a really fine layer. You want it to move around a bit, and you want to fill in the cracks, and you want to be able to apply a very small and thin layer, which is easier to do with like a wet mix like this. And you're just kind of using the edge, using a bit of intuition and kind of seeing, like, so that's good now. And I can move on to this bit. And what I'll do is I'll use the edge of the material, the edge of the spatula to, when I get to the place that I want it level with, to drag it and blend it in. Give it a bit of a shakedown, and then I'll brush it on.
This is just to connect to different.
Yeah, it acts as like a glue basically. So where you have the margarita that's already on the wall. If I was to just put that mix straight on, it would fall off. Humans have been building with natural materials for thousands of years, you know, like. And these communities thrived together. A lot of communities that built with like clay and natural material, they did it out of pure practicality, pure necessity. And all of when these buildings were built, the community would come together and build their houses together. You know, the whole community would come together and thatch the roof. The whole community would come together and build the wall. You know, and there's this sense of actually being connected to the land and being connected. You know, having to work with your hands as well, that brings like a massive kind of connection to the building that you're making. I'm pretty sure like everything here, we put, you know, all the material ourselves, like on the stones by hand, put the stones in by hand, put the wood on by hand, put the windows in by hand. And it's like this, doing everything by hand also creates this connection to the landscape. You can see it change consistency. So you can tell the clay is like mixing in. So right now what I'm doing is I'm just breaking up the bits of clay lumps that are in there. My last name is actually Clay as well. So like maybe that's, you know, name. Yeah, my last name's Clay. So maybe that's my, Clay? Yeah. No way. So maybe like this is a calling.